Hello guys and welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to learn about Scotland. But first of all, do you know how many countries form the United Kingdom? Okay, so if you said England, Wales, Scotland and North of Ireland, you were right. Repeat. England, Wales, Scotland and the north of Ireland. Okay, so today we are going to learn about Scotland. What do you think when you think about Scotland? You can think about bagpipes, or you can think about the kilt, or maybe tartan patterns, or for example, the monster of the Loch Ness. So let's focus on the bagpipe. Can you hear the bagpipe? Right. The bagpipes are considered Scotland's national instrument. The Great Highland bagpipe is one of the most iconic symbols of Scottish culture. As well as having their own instrument, in Scotland they've got their own clothes, their iconic clothes, the kilt. This type is an everyday clothing and often is regarded as the Highland dress regarding the Scottish land where the kilt has originated. The main element of this outfit, as the name suggests, is the kilt, the skirt, and other garments are the belt and the buckle, Jacobite shirt, kilt hose, and kilt pin. Did you know that in Scotland they also have their own languages? They have the Scottish and the Gaelic. And now, let's talk about a bit of these languages. Scottish is a Celtic language mainly spoken in the north of the country, in the north part of Scotland, in here, right? There are about 1.5 million Scottish speakers, making it the second most spoken language in the UK. The first one is English, of course. Now, let's talk about our favorite subject, the food. The most famous food in Scotland is this. And what's this? These are haggis. Are you hungry? Okay, the haggis consist of sheep's heart, liver and lungs mixed with oatmeal, spices, salt and stock. Some people love it, others hate it. You'll have to make up your own mind. What do you think? Do you think you will like it? I particularly like it. It's kind of odd and weird, but it's kind of good. I like it. Okay, apart from haggis, another typical food in Scotland is the typical Scottish breakfast. It's super similar to the English breakfast, but it changes a bit, okay? So some of the ingredients, as you can see, are eggs, bacon, link sausage, baked beans, buttered toast, and tea or coffee. However, now we're in Scotland, it can also include distinctive Scottish additions like black pudding, Lorne sausage, and tatty scone, which is potato. Don't worry, they don't eat this every day, of course. They eat it just at the weekends, okay? So, did you know in Scotland they've got different ways of calling the potatoes? As I said before, they call them taties, okay? It sounds funny. Yeah. They've got also a popular soup called leek, and it's a tatty soup, like made from potato. Yes. Now I'm feeling super hungry. So I want to tell you something about the tartan before we leave. Okay, these are the patterns of the kilts. As you can see, this kilt is made of one of these patterns. So when do we use each pattern? As you can see in here, well, maybe not super well, each pattern has a name from the clan of the Scottish. So if you were from one clan, for example, the Mackenzie one, you should wear one of these tartans in particular. Now I have to say goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed the video and see you in live classes. Bye bye.